Hey guys, it's LJ Network here, and today we're getting into another DVD opening, and this DVD is Big Cat Diary, Volume 2 from 2009. Here's the front, spine, profile picture of a cheetah, and the back. Here's disc 1, and here's disc 2. Unfortunately, this contains some special features, so I'd rather not do the opening to that. Instead, let's see the opening to episodes 1 through 5. And that's it.
In the new series of Big Cat Week, the drama continues.
Oh my goodness, they're running after Toto.
For the cheaters,
We always say that you cannot interfere, it's not fair. But your heart is just crying out.